In this video, I'm going to show you how you can consistently make money with your phone, your Android device, whatever device you're using. Consistently make a minimum of $1 every day with your smartphone wherever you are in the world. If you're in Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, wherever you are in the world. If you're in Africa, Europe, Asia, United States, it's going to work worldwide for you. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because right now I'm going to hop into my screen to show you guys that I actually made $1 right there. Yeah, I'm going to show it to you guys that I actually made $1 today. So I'm just going to get into my screen right now to show you guys the proof.
Alright guys, you can see right here I've got $1.56 right in my end balance, and right here that I say spending, I've got like 60 cents spending, right? And once this money is approved, it's just gonna be moved right here, and then everything is just gonna be up to $2 that I just made today by literally doing some simple tasks, such as, you know, you can see this one, it says comment on our video. So just commenting on this video is gonna give you $2, and you can see the success rate that a lot of people are performing it, right? And you can see this one, subscribe to a YouTube channel, you're also gonna get $2, right? This one, just follow a person on Instagram, you're gonna get this amount of money. Join our Telegram channel, you're also gonna get this amount of money. So you can see this very simple tax that's gonna pay you huge amount of money for you to perform. And you know quite well that these tax are, you know, things we normally do on a regular basis, on a daily basis, right? And you're getting paid for doing so. And if you guys are doubting me that you can make good money from this site, as you can see in my Gmail, this is the message I got from PayPal, that this company Kid Street has sent me $99 right in my PayPal account. As you can see the date, that was January 21st and 4:57 a.m. right? This is live inside my PayPal account, and Kid Street is actually the company that's gonna pay you, and as you can see they paid me $99. So this is actually real money. As you can see, this is not a Photoshop image, this is real message from PayPal that I've actually made that kind of money, right? And so guys, what I'm doing this video is that I want to show you guys how you can make up to $100 as I did by just literally doing what I'm going to share with you guys in this video. And you can wish to make use of whatever device you have, if it's your Android phone or your tablet or even your laptop. So you can just decide to make use of whatever device you have, because it's gonna work on every device. And by the way, I want you guys to consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, and make sure you turn on the notifications bell so that YouTube is gonna notify you whenever I drop new videos like this, and you're gonna be watching more of my videos on how to make money online, and you're literally gonna be making money online. So first thing first, the link to this website is already down there at the description box. So I want to recommend you guys to sign up with that link, because if you sign up with my link, you're gonna get a bonus of $1 whenever you want to make your first withdrawal on this site. Though it might not show first in your dashboard, but it's gonna be added to you whenever you want to make your first withdrawal on this site, right? So okay, so once you click on my link at the description box, you're just gonna be taken to a page that looks like this, and you can see the name of the website is Sproutgigs, and this website was formerly known as Pico Workers, and now, you know, it has upgraded and it's no longer Pico Workers, it's now more like a freelancing site, right? So this is how this website looks like. So what we want to do is that we want to register for a worker account. We want to work on this site. So very simple. What we're just gonna do is that we're just gonna come over here to the sign up button. So once I click on sign up, I'm just gonna be taken to a page which looks like this, and over here in this page, I'm just gonna be able to fill in my personal details, such as my email address, my name, my password, my nickname, my country, and all of that, in order to create an account right here on Sproutgigs. So I'm just gonna start with my real name. My real name is Peter Okangwa, so I'm just gonna put that right here, and then my email. I've got a couple of emails. Let me just make use of this one. And gmail.com, right? So this is my email over here, and then I'm just gonna select my password. So just make sure you select a password you're just gonna remember, and then I suggest Google should suggest me password, right? But make sure you use a password you're just gonna remember. So for my nickname, let me be like write 1 2 3 4, and then over here, which I'm to select my country, I'm just gonna make sure I select my real country. Don't try to fake anything. Don't try to use a VPN on this site, because they are gonna detect that and your account is gonna be banned immediately. So don't want to make use of a VPN. Make sure you put your real location. As for me, I'm currently in Nigeria, so I don't mind putting in my country right here. So I'm just gonna put in Nigeria. And so this is my country. I'm a worker, and then just gonna make sure I select these in order to agree to the terms of service of Sproutgig. And then this one is totally optional, so I can decide to leave that like that. And so I can come right here to the bottom button and select sign up. So once I do so, as you can see, it says almost there, Peter Okangwa, confirm your email and be part of the community. So actually they've sent me a mail to my email. That's the email I use. So what I want to do is I want to go over to my inbox and go locate that mail. But funny enough, the email is not my desktop computer, so I'm just gonna go to my phone, and so please just pardon me. I'm just gonna confirm that right from my phone. So right now my email has been successfully confirmed with my phone. So I'm just gonna go right here to this place, go to the login page, and then I'm just gonna select login. Right, so as simple as that, my account has been created. And then right, as you can see the interface, so this is how it's gonna be exactly when you create your account on this site. I mean, you're just gonna see exactly what you can see on my screen, and everywhere is just gonna be 000 because you've actually not made any money on this site. So this is how it's gonna be for you. So right now, I guess you've seen where I created my account right here on this site. So what we want to do is I want to start working on this site. I want to start making money on this site because that's the primary reason why we're here. So it's very simple. We're just gonna come over here to this place that says micro jobs, and then we're just gonna select find jobs, right? So just want to find jobs, easy jobs that we can do. And as you can see over here, it says 511 results. So you've got 511 jobs available for you to do. And if I just scroll down a little bit, you can see these jobs right here. You can see a couple of them, and let's assume you can just do at least 10 in a day. You're just gonna be getting the minimum of, let's say, $3 to $5 if you can be consistent, do at least 10 in a day. But many people are just gonna be so lazy about that, and that's the fact. You can make any money online without putting in the work. So over here in this section, you can see here, see job level, category, subcategory, payments, location, and stats. So this section is a section whereby you can filter your results. You can filter the kind of results you want to get, because as you can see, the total result is 511. So right here you can filter the kind of job you want to do, right? So let's just say for category you want something related to sign up, or maybe something related to to TikTok or Reddit, or all of that. So for instance, let's say you want something related to write an article. Let's select that, and then when you click on apply, you're just gonna see jobs related to that. But funny enough, there's no job related to writing an article, so you can just come and look for another stuff right here. So I'm just trying to show you how you can filter your results. So let's say you want something related to sign up, right? You can just click on that and click on apply, and then you're gonna see jobs that that requires you to just perform a very simple sign up task, and you can see all of them. And these are things you can just perform by yourself. Because I don't want to make this video necessarily long, that's why I'm not trying to perform any task, but I'm just looking for something very simple that I can perform, that's just gonna take less than a minute, so that I'm not just gonna delay. Let's say this one says write an honest review. So right, you can see book rating, write an honest review. No one has actually done this. Let's say something related to Reddit, right? So Reddit, you can see simple tasks that you can do on the Reddit platform. You can upvote, and literally that's not gonna take any time at all. So let me try to do something like that. So if you want to perform a task, just make sure you select the task, and once you select the task, make sure you read more about the task and all of that. But Sproutgig is prompting us to complete this because it's our first time performing a task. So over here it says date of birth. My date of birth is actually 30th of May 2004, right? And then your city closest to you, let me just say Ibadan, because I'm currently in Ibadan. And then security question, what's the name of your YouTube channel? So let me see the of your YouTube channel. So let me just use this as my security question. It says, what's the name of your YouTube channel? And obviously the name of my YouTube channel, the one you guys are watching right now. And obviously the name of my YouTube channel, the one you guys are watching right now, is the Finance Master Class, right? So very simple. So I'm just gonna click on save, and that's gonna save. So boom, we're back to our job. The job says we should upvote a post. So whenever you're trying to perform any job on Sproutgigs, make sure you read the job description very well. You read what they're trying to tell you to do, so that you're not just gonna do what you weren't asked to do. So you can see excluded countries, none. So it's available for all countries, and they're just gonna pay you as little as 4 cents. And trust me guys, this is not just gonna take this is not just gonna take up to a minute, right? So the second thing you're gonna take note of whenever you want to perform a task on Sproutgigs, the steps they're just gonna give you, right? For this job, you can see it says go to this link. This is the link. So what you're gonna do is that first thing first, you just want to visit this link. So I'm just gonna copy the link. So if you're making use of your phone, whatever device you're doing, so you can just literally copy the link. It's also very simple. So just copy the link, right? I said we should go there, so I'm just gonna go over there, and then what the next thing we should just click on upvote easy tax. So once we do that, I said we should click on upvote. I think that's over here. So we're just gonna click on upvote, right? But they're just gonna ask you to sign up to to vote, right? So then it says if you see a share button or comment, then you're eligible for this tax. Otherwise, don't waste your time. So as I said, if you see a share button, then you're eligible for this tax. Otherwise, you're wasting your time. And I can see the button right here. It means I'm eligible for this tax. So just make sure that whatever tax you're giving, as you can see the I did, you're just gonna follow on the steps that was given to you in the tax. Like this one says, you should go over here to this link, click on the vote easy tax, and then click on share, right? So once you follow the step, the other thing you want to make sure you follow is the proof, right? You want to make sure that you submit the right proof. Like for this one, they say you submit your product homes URL, right? They say submit that URL, and then you should submit this your project name. So this is the kind of format it's gonna be. So that's what they're literally telling you to do. So that's all for this tax. Let's say you are looking for another tax like this one, subscribe to YouTube channel. The reason why I don't want to do this one is that most of these ones are usually offers, right? They usually offer. So you can just perform literally any of these tasks. Like this one says sign up for Voicey. This one says Gleam Simple Tax. This one says my daily cash in. So make sure this one says my daily cash promo code, and this is a task that you can literally do because it's so simple, guys. It's so simple. So let me assume you've actually made a couple of money on these sites, right? You've made money on these sites, and let's say you've gotten to at least $10. Like for me, I was able to make up to $100 in a month, but let's say you've made at least $10. You can come over to Google and search for, like, let's say pay per sign up programs. So once you search for pay per sign up programs, right, you're gonna see lots of programs that are just gonna pay you per lead. When it comes to per lead, your traffic doesn't need to purchase anything from your site in order for you to get a commission. All they need to do is just to sign up, right? So we can see you're gonna see different programs per lead. This one says $27.50 per lead. This one says $10 per free trial. This one says $5 per free account created. And you can see a lot of programs that's just gonna pay you per lead. So once you've actually made money on this site, right, you've actually made, let's say, up to like $5 and $10, you can now be eligible to post a job. And once you want to do that, just come over here to this icon right here. You just want to switch this to employer. And once you switch that to employer, you're going to be an employer, because previously you were a worker. So this is your employer interface. This is your employer dashboard, and you can come over here and post a job. and which is also very simple. So depending on the program you're promoting, maybe if it's restricted to some certain countries, when you're posting your job, you can just do all the filtering stuff right here and select the country. Either if it's only in the United States, you can just select only the United States. I think there are more detailed videos on how to post the job on Sproutgigs, so you can just go over to Sproutgig. You can just go over to YouTube and search for how to post a job on Sproutgig, and you're just going to see a couple of videos that are just going to guide and direct you on how to post your job on Sproutgig. So I think I've given you guys a value, right? So make sure you give me a like, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and share this video to all your friends, to people that you know that wants to make money online. So now everyone's gonna be making money online.